Don't y'all hate it when y'all go on YouTube and it's those tutorials about how to do something, but when you go to do it, it don't look right or it don't turn out right? Well, a lot of times they leave a lot of stuff out. Look, I just crocheted my hair and I follow one of those YouTube videos, but collectively, I ended up doing it the way I wanted to do it because going by their way, it was messing up. So in this video, I will be telling you everything that I went through, okay? So let's get to it, guys.
You said that you've been lonely, makes you cold as ice. Hard to get to know me, but better than the...
All right, guys, you have reached at S Regina TV, and I crocheted my hair. This hair that I used is this, and it's 12 inches. Now, guys, let me tell y'all something. This is crochet hair. Y'all see how I made the wig. And I have to be honest with myself. I really do like this crochet hair. But guys, like I said, I love my short cut. And I don't really like sleeping in hair. I don't like taking baths in hair. I like just short hair. I do. So having something permanently on my head, I can't do it. So guys, what I am doing, as you see, I sewed the wig, right? I still got some adjustments to make on it, but I decided to sew the wig, and so that it'll look right, I am just, ponytailing the front of my hair. And I'm gonna put like maybe 9 to 12 braids. Not braids, but I'm just crocheting that. Okay? I'm just crocheting that. And going across here. That's all I'm doing. And I think I'm gonna try to see if I can find some combs to help stabilize this. But really, I am going to stabilize it with, a ponytail. Now I put a part in the middle, and y'all will see why. Remember, if y'all go back and look at my other videos, I told y'all, it's your hair, do what you want. You know what you can take, you know what you can't take. And like I said, when I first did these crochets, I really liked them. Oh my goodness. But they were to my head, I had prepared my whole head. And I put them in, and I liked them. But it started making my hairline thinner. And when that shit started itching, it's no joke. So I could not sleep. I had to take that out maybe. I think I wore it for a week because I really liked it. But you like what you like. I told y'all that before. So now, because I know how I am, I am just, I ponytail my hair loosely this time. Because it made my hairline shed. It looked cute. I mean, oh, it looked cute. And this is my third time wearing this hair, guys. Because then I put it on a wig. And I had did that, on the wig cap, I had put like a lace in it and cut my wig cap off. And I was able to put it on my head, but it didn't give me the stability that I really wanted in the front. So I said, okay. I took that down. Okay. So when I took that down, I went and bought a stronger wig cap. Okay, so there we are. If I need to put more, then I'll put more. Let me get something. So I'm just going to use some wax over here. Because I'm going to tell you guys, I really like my sides being loose. I like them being loose. So like I said, guys, y'all know how I am. I don't like no long, drawn-out videos. Only thing I'm doing is slicking down my sides. And the reason why I'm doing that is because I like my sides being slicked down. Like I said, it's not pretty in the back at all. But it is what it is. So what I am going to do is I'm about to go in there and get the hair. And I still got some adjustments to do on it, but I just thought I'd just show y'all where I am so far. And I'm going to tell y'all, here's the wig here, okay? And it's just on one of these caps here. And like I said, I'm still making adjustments. I would say if you can, when you're doing a wig, space that stuff out, because if you don't, that wig is going to be very, very heavy. And I didn't like that. It became very heavy. And like I said, I didn't like it. And if you're going to ponytail your hair, just know as you go back with those ponytails on your hair, the ponytails is going to get tighter and tighter. So, you know, when people come on here and show you, you know, how to make these wigs and everything like that, they're leaving out a lot of things that y'all need to know. So just be very mindful of when you're preparing your hair for this wig. Just know as you go backwards, them ponytails is going to get tight and you ain't going to like it. Okay, so guys, as you see, I put the wig on. And see, I didn't have to go too far back. See, that's what I'm saying. I didn't have to go too far back. And earlier, what I was telling you guys is the reason why I put my part in the middle, because if I wanted it to just, you know, be on here, you know, like this, you know, I got a part in the middle. And it looked like all my hair is braided. Okay, and if I want, I can go through here some more and fill up, you know, the braid some more. So I have to go to the store and get some, you know, some combs. I'm gonna try to find some here just so I can stabilize it, you know, just so I can stabilize it, and that's all. So do I have it on right? So let me see. I think I gotta turn it a little bit. So it's a lot that goes into it, you know. People need to tell y'all the truth about the whole thing when they are doing these wigs and videos and stuff like that. It's more to just, you know, doing the wig and then just throwing it on. So, let me see. The wig is on, and like I said, if I want, I can, you know, have a part in the middle. But like I said, I can also have it to where I can twist it. See, like that? Look at that. If I want, I can take it and I can twist it. Let my sides be slick. Bring that over the sides and have it looking like that. You know, and do both sides. Because I just like my sides showing, guys. Or I can take it, and for stability, I am grabbing some of the wig hair, and I'm grabbing, you know, my hair in the top. And, you know, I can ponytail it, and then I know it ain't going nowhere. You know, if you have a problem with combs, you know. And so, and look at that. I can do it like that. Okay? And I know for a fact that this wig isn't going anywhere. And like I said, I got my little stuff here. Because y'all know my sides I shaved off, but it's still, I can still like grab my sides and everything. I just don't want to put no stress on my hair. And the only reason why I'm putting combs in it so that it can grab and not slide. And guys, that is it. So if there's anything I didn't address in this video, guys, just you know, leave it in the comment section down below, because there is some things you need to know about these crochet wigs. Now I'm gonna tell you, this is my third time using this hair. The first time I put it on my hair, it was too tight. The rubber bands was too tight. It took all my hair out around there. I'm trying to recover from that. Then the second time I did it, I used, I sewed on a lace cap and cut the middle of that cap out, which made it weak. I should have followed my first mind, guys. Then the third time I'm doing it, I re-sewed the hair on, and I said, well, you know what? You like for your sides to show. Just put a rubber band, you know, just crochet some in the top. Make sure they're loose, not snatching on your hairline. And, You know, if you mix that wig hair in with the crochet hair here, that's going to keep it from coming off. I don't care if it do come away from the back. That ain't moving nowhere. So like I said, guys, you have reached at It's Regina TV. We tell the truth all the time here. Let's just be real. Let's just keep it real. Okay? And anything that I didn't address in this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. Let me show you what kind of hair this is, guys, before I go. What I used is this, and it's 12 inches. And then the third time is what it is on now, and it was this one. It's got little holes in it. It helped me sew it too, really good. And this was like $2.49. So guys, like I said, if there's anything that I didn't address in this video, you know, about making this crochet wig, then leave it in the comment section down below. You know, guys, that I am going to answer you back. I love answering y'all comments and everything. You guys are the reason why my channel is growing. So thank you so much for coming by and watching my videos. Your girl is always going to tell you the truth about how things go, or at least what I went through. So until next time, guys, stay safe, stay blessed. Come on back and visit me, and I will talk to you later.
You said that you feel lonely, makes you cold as ice. Hard to get to know me.